What's up everybody, it's your girl Rachel, and just like that, back with another video. Let's get into today's stretches while I tell you what we're gonna do today. Hello, week 3, day 3. At this point, it should be pretty much routine. Your healthy habits should be pretty much solid at this point, and you should be seeing some changes in your upper body strength, your balance and everything. And I just want to say, I'm proud of you. There's 21 days to create a habit and 21 days to break a habit, and you created a healthy one that can sustain you for a long time, okay? You could keep doing these workouts. Just start the video over and just keep moving up in weight. Week 3, I usually, to start week 4, I'll usually use the same weights and keep using them until I hit 15 reps for each set. And then I'll start the whole process over of I'll move up in weight, and then for 3 weeks I'll continue to move up in weight, and then that 4th week again I'll wait until I hit 15 reps. That's how I do it, and it served me well. So today's back day. Baby got back. Ooh, okay. Not play around. Remember, if you're a quadriplegic or even a paraplegic, you're new to your wheelchair, it's a new wheelchair maybe, make sure there's someone in the home in case you fall over. There's no shame in someone holding your shoulders to make you more stable, or wearing a chest strap. Safety is super important. We just got our stretch in. Do not leave when we're done working out. We get another stretch in because we are contracting our muscles and they shrink. We want to keep them long and lean. And then after that, I want you guys to eat 20 or 30 grams of protein or drink it, whatever you gotta do. You guys ready? Let's get our wrist weights on. Now, I've moved up in wrist weights, but the band, I know I can't move up yet. So I'm gonna repeat the same process, and probably next week I'll be able to move up to a heavier band. Alrighty, are you guys ready? Now we're gonna go into those flybacks where we lean forward and we lift, and every single time we're gonna squeeze those shoulder blades together. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna try to hit 12, but if not, I'm gonna at least try to hit 10. You guys ready? Let's do it. Begin. 2. How's everyone doing today? If you're not having a great day, then you're in the right place. We're gonna pump some endorphins. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're doing 10. 10, 10, 10. Ain't no shame in my game. I'm okay with that. You never want to push yourself. You feel the burning. You shouldn't feel any like tearing or anything. Feel the burning and the fatiguing, and that's when you know you've done enough reps. Always get fuzz in my mouth from the Velcro. All right, you guys ready for set number 2? Let's get into it. Make sure we squeeze those shoulder blades. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, give me one more. 10. Burn. I feel the burn, but that's good. That's what you want, y'all. That's what you want. I wonder why I'm weird, but I'm okay with that. The dogs are all sleeping. It's nap time. The only dog that I have to worry about is Max, and he has to lay in here with me. Or else he'll scratch at the door. But he's so peaceful when he's in here. He just goes to sleep. All right, you guys, ready for set number 3? Begin. 2, 3, great job. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, squeeze the shoulder blades, 8, 9, breathe out, 10. Ooh, I felt that. I felt that. All right, I'm gonna show you what the next workout is gonna look like. It looks just like this. We're keeping our elbows in line with our shoulders, just like that. You guys ready? I think I am. Okay. All right, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That burns. Goes down like liquor without a chaser. All right, now that the blood flows back in that muscle, let's get set number 2. Ready? Begin. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm really gonna let my back rest. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to push these both above my head, but that's okay. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? I might take off the lighter gray ones and just go back to, and I'll do a set of 3 sets of 12 like last week, but that's okay. My muscles are still building, okay? Let me see if I could do this. Nope. All right. So let's take the okay. 3 sets of 12 like last week. Maybe we could do 15. Let's try. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 13, 14, 14, 15. Pain, agony, defeat in the best kind of way. Great job. We got 2 more sets of those. I don't know if it's just this room that my allergies are acting up in, because I did it yesterday and then the rest of the day I was fine. Might be something in this room. Probably because I'm leaning towards the floor and picking things up in the dander and stuff, even though I vacuum all the time. All right, you guys ready for set number 2? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, give me one more, 15, good job. I get my hair done on Saturday, on Christmas Eve, so I'm excited. I love getting my hair done. I love it. I don't like how long it takes, but I like getting it done. All right, you guys ready for the last set? And then we're gonna move into that mini band elbow pull back. You guys ready? Begin. Give me one more. 15, good job. Okay, we can take those off now. Now remember, I said it's okay if you can't move up in weight, so I'm gonna use the medium mini band that I used for week 2. I'm gonna use it for week 3, and I'm gonna keep using it until I can move up and use the other one safely and confidently. Okay, so we're gonna start with those elbow pullbacks. Remember, every time you pull that elbow back, squeeze those shoulder blades. Squeeze them, okay, honey? You guys ready? Get into position, begin. We're gonna at least do 12. 2, 7, 8, 9, 11. I'm gonna hit 15. 12. That means next week I'll probably be able to move up in weight. 13, 14, 15. So you see, I might not have moved up in weight, but I moved up in reps, so I have gotten stronger from last week. That's why consistency is so important. Okay, you guys ready for the other arm? Squeezing those shoulder blades every time, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I might only be able to do 12 reps this time because my back is on fire. You guys ready? Begin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, halfway there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. Okay, other arm. Squeezing those shoulder blades. Begin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ouch. Okay. Now, I'm not gonna go down in reps. I'm gonna hit 12 again because I don't wanna go backwards, okay? We got this, last set. You guys ready? Week 3, last set, 2 more days, and you did it. You did the 21-day challenge. All right, let's do this, begin. 9, squeeze those shoulder blades. 10, 11, 12. Good job. One last one to do, you guys, and then we guys stretch, and then you're gonna go eat. You guys ready? Begin. Squeeze those shoulder blades. 10, finish strong. 11, one more, you guys. 12. You killed it. We did it. Let's get that stretch in, y'all. We did it. We did it. Week 3. Halfway done with week 3. You got 2 more days, and then you conquered this. And I hope you feel proud of yourself. When you hit week 3 and you finish it, you should take a picture of yourself and tag me in it and hashtag week 21-day challenge. I love to see it. See, it's already tight from stretching earlier. That's because when you contract your muscles, they shrink. And so you want to keep them long and lean and healthy. All right, you guys, I'm proud of you. You're showing up for you. And that makes me really happy because you deserve it. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for week 3, day 4, chest day. Show up. I'll see you guys there.